Blund Dye Stuffs is a national-level pioneer in manufacturing food colors. In order to maintain food standards, we take regular service of food technologist and analytical chemist. Our administration is highly concerned about manufacturing halal products. We are a certified food color manufacturer, certified by the International Institute Bureau Veritas. According to Food Color Act 2011, every batch undergoes a set of 15 parameter tests, which are important for the quality satisfaction of the batch. Blund Dye Stuffs is proud to be the only food color manufacturer in Pakistan that has advanced machinery and infrastructure. We have dietization reactor, coupling reactor, filter press, spin dryer, tray dryer, grinding mills, and ball mills. For the implementation of food safety and quality control parameters, food technologists keep visiting manufacturing plant, blending unit, packaging unit, and dispatch unit. We are striving to bring safe, healthy, and halal colors for you. Safe colors, safe health.